In today's crowded market, getting noticed isn't enough. You need to be remembered. You need a presence that commands attention. Is your business just another face in the crowd? At our company, we provide the full suite of creative and digital marketing services you need to break through the noise. We build your brand from the ground up. We design unforgettable logos and vital print materials like flyers and elegant business cards. We produce compelling multimedia videos that tell your story and capture your audience's imagination. We ensure you're found immediately with strategic Google and YouTube listings. And our targeted social media listings and marketing puts your brand exactly where your customers are scrolling. Don't settle for blending in. Choose a partner who delivers complete multimedia creations and marketing solutions. Looking for a fast, flexible, and 100% remote team for your next project? We're here and ready to help. We just launched our profiles across most social media platforms. Follow us to stay updated and get in touch. Contact us today on 0847056344 today to start building a brand that can't be ignored.